How to send personal message on Quora. So if you want to send a personal message on Quora, then first you need to open up your Quora application, or you can go with your browser and just simply go with www.quora.com if you're on your browser. And if you have the application, you can just simply launch the application. Now make sure to sign into your account. After signing in, now you just need to simply select a person's profile. For example, I'll just simply go with this person. Once you're on the person's profile, now here on the top, if you are using the application, you will have ask option. You just need to simply tap on ask and then you will be able to ask a personal question. But if you're on your browser, you just need simply again tap on the person's profile. You will have the name right here. So you just need simply tap on it. And now you will have ask option. So you need to tap on ask and you just need simply write anything that you're comfortable with. And after that, so just go with add, which is on the top right, and your message will be sent. So that's how you can send a personal message on Quora. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.